Wow, grabe. Alam niyo guys, this is our second time here and it's great to be back. Woo! Grabe yung energy niyo. But before anything else, let us introduce ourselves. 2, 3, mabuhay! Hi guys, I'm Colette. Hi Blooms, I'm Sheena. Hi Winnipeg, I'm Stacy. What's up? It's Mika. Hi everyone, I'm Malay. Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. Winnipeg, it's Joanna. Hey everyone, it's Aya. And we are Nako. Hi everyone. We're looking forward to making wonderful memories with you tonight and on this second to the last Canada stop of our Signals North America World Tour leg. So ito na yung second to the last namin na Canada leg. So, I hope na makabalik kami dito.